Hi, it's Neil. Welcome to the kitchen. Today I've got a few different watch bands for my Apple Watch, and I already took the little I have the one that just came with it, so I have these here, and I'm kind of playing with how you even do it because I've never taken off the band before. But we're gonna give these things a try. First, I'm gonna start off with this metal one here. These are cool. They could be, it's coming up to the holidays, be good gifts and stuff too. So let's try to hook one of these up and see how it works. This is the metal one, and you see it's kind of works with magnets to hold it closed. So we're gonna give this thing a try and see how it goes. I guess it just slides on. If you haven't done them before, to get it off, I had to push that little button and slide it. So I'm guessing to put it on, it's gonna be that same thing. And there we go. Oh, and it holds it on there nice and snug. And we'll put it on this way too. So there we have the top and bottom. And then to open it up, it just opens up like that. You put it on, and then here, you see it's got the little magnet. I can just tighten it up. And depending on how tight I want it, I can just put it on. I don't know if you can see. So it's got a magnet here. So this is where you do the initial one there. And so you see that's about how I like it. And then I just rotate it out, put the other one on, and there we go. There, now I've got a nice metal band on my watch for super less than getting it from the Apple guys. So that's what this one looks like, and this is really sweet. It's nice and sturdy. It totally feels metal. It looks great. I like it way better than this rubber one that it came with. So this one's really cool. So let's see how the other one's looking. So just come and take it off. You just go like that, and it opens up because you see it's just magnets, and just slide it off. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing here. I mean, there's the magnet right there, and it just sticks on, and I just pull it off. It looks like it's got a sticker on it. I could probably take that off, and it'll be even stickier. There we go. So there, you see, now it's got the little metal piece there. Now it'll even hold better. And the other one did too. But there's the concept. But so I'll take this one off now. So I just pull it off like that, and then it slides off, which is nice. The other one had the clip and stuff, so this is kind of nice too, that it just stays around the whole time. And then we can pull it off your hand because it's always going to be on. So let's take this one off now, and I'm going to try. I really like this one. It's got some weight to it and heft to it. This is probably the one I'm going to keep on. But then I got some of these ones here for gifts too. So these are sweet. So these are very soft and all too. So these were rated really good because they were so soft. This one here, my hand gets all sweaty and stuff sometimes. So it's nice to have like a cloth one sometimes too. So this one here, we'll do that for somebody. So let's see, how do we connect it on again now that I forgot how we do it? Oh yeah, like this. Just slide it right on there and slide it on there. Can I get it? There we go. So there, now we have it on there, and now it's for a child size. But let me make it a little bigger here for myself. Don't know if that's gonna be big enough or not, but the good thing about it is, you see, it's just there, and it's stretchy, so you just put it on, and wow, I made it way too big. But you get the concept of it. Here, I can't make it smaller while it's on my wrist. I have to take it off. So it just slides, so it's super easy. So there we go. So let's go. I'll make it about, I don't know, about an inch there. Kind of looks like it's got a little Southwestern kind of look to it. It's kind of cool. So there, now, maybe that's my wrist size. Who knows? I mean, it's gonna hold, so there. So that's what it looks like, so there. So that's pretty cool. So this is a nice looking band, and super comfortable. I mean, wow, this one's nice. It's good, and it's good because it's cloth, it feels nice. It's like nylon and stretchy. I really like this one here. My mom has a watch, maybe she'd want it, or maybe some of my friends have them too, that they might want these cool looking patterns. So there's that pattern and this pattern here. I've got this, I have it set for I think mine's the 44, and I have the new watch coming, which is gonna be 45, which I think is takes the same bands, hopefully, because I'm planning on using these bands for that. So let's take this off here and try the other one. I am not a pro on doing these by any means. Okay, so let's see what these looks like. And I don't know if there's an up or a down. I don't know if there's a top or bottom. This one I'm doing backwards from the other one. The other one I had the double up part on the bottom. This one I have the double up part on the top. So we'll see if that makes a difference, if it feels any different for me. I'm guessing it's gonna be about the same. So let's make it a little looser for me because I have wrists. And now let's try this one on. And I don't know if it makes much of a difference which is the top and which is the bottom, because it's just a pattern like this. It doesn't really say anything. It's not like I'm looking at it, but it works great and it's kind of cool. I don't know, it's bohemian-ish, so I like it. So these are really sweet. I would totally get these, I mean, for like gifts or something. I'll probably use the metal one for now because it's getting to be the winter and whatever, and it's kind of nice and black and everything. And the rubber one here is just a pain, and it kind of, the little holes where this little nub goes in are getting, it's too loose that it opens up on me if I knock it into something, and it's driving me crazy when it opens up. And so I'm gonna use this one here, but I've got these other ones here too. So I'm gonna give these ones away because they are cool and stretchy and fun. And that is it. And I love these things. These are sweet. So pick some up for yourself. Thumbs up for me. Let me see what they have a brand on them. It says, I think Moss. I don't know. I can't read it because it's too small and I don't have my glasses on, but maybe you guys can see it there. Hopefully you can. That's that brand. And you know, they were both the same brand because I bought them both from the same vendor, but they're from Amazon. So pick some up for yourself. I'm gonna put a link to these in the description so you guys can pick some up for yourselves. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll be back with some other reviews. So these are sweet. Thumbs up from me. They look like they're gonna be super durable and everything. I have no qualms about it. I have so many different things that aren't durable, but these ones here actually seem to be made well. The clasps, these little hooks are metal and everything. So you're gonna love them. I love them. So it's great for me. Thumbs up. Take care, everyone. Bye.